the greatest faculty of UPSC out there and the greatest mentor I have ever seen. To Vishnu sir, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Hello Vishnu sir, many happy returns of the day. This birthday is going to be very special not only for you, even for everyone, for all of us. So daily I pray for your abundance in your life, in your health, wealth, peace and prosperity. Let us bang on on your birthday sir. See you soon. Once again, happy birthday to you. Thank you. This is Anirudh.
Happy birthday, Vishnu sir. I think today you are not in service just because you are destined to guide thousands of aspirants in achieving their dreams. I have seen very limited number of teachers who put so much of efforts for their student success, and you are definitely one of them, sir. I am fortunate to have you as a leader, and it's pleasure working with you. I wish once again a very happy birthday to our beloved Vishnu sir.
It's truly a pleasure to be wishing you a happy birthday on such a special day. You are a true inspiration to all. You are a good guide and a guru, all rolled into one. Thank you, sir.
Hi Vishnu sir, this is Varsha Palve from your June Anthropology 2020 batch, wishing a many happy returns of the day.
Hi sir, many more happiness of the day. We are very proud to have a mentor like you, and I wish to have a many more success in your life. And thank you very much for everything you are doing for us. Thank you, sir.
Sir, wish you many more happy returns of the day. And it's my past life karma to have you as my Guruji in my UPSC preparation. I wish you become most demanding faculty in the UPSC in coming years. Wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir. Thank you.
Hello sir, wish you many more happy returns of the day. You are the best teacher, you are the best motivator, you guide us so well, you work more hard than us for a better tomorrow. I'm so much lucky to have a mentor like you sir. Once again wish you many more happy returns of the day sir. Thank you.
Hi sir, I am Sai Dinesh. I am your student of anthropology. Wishing a very happy birthday sir.
I'm very fortunate to have found such a wonderful mentor in you. Happiest birthday, sir. I have nothing but a gratitude for you, and I want to thank you for everything you have done for me. Happiest birthday.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Vishnu sir. It's a big day, sir, and we want you to enjoy the day, and we will make sure that we will also make this day beautiful for you. And on this auspicious day, on this special day, I give you a commitment that I will surely give my best to crack this examination. I'll put my 100% effort, and obviously a mentor like you is always a dream for me, and with the efforts of my family, beliefs of my friends, and everyone, and yes, obviously a mentorship of you and love of you sir, it will obviously help me to crack the examination. Wish you happy birthday and enjoy the day sir. Thank you.
Hello sir, wish you many happy returns of the day, and it is very a wonderful moment for you and for us also. Like we got you as a mentor, as a teacher, as a friend, as a philosopher. And one thing I would like to wish that you should be you to be a long lived person in the entire world, so that you can give your contribution to the society, and on your blessings those society will grow. And not only the society from the administrative level, it should be from the humanity level also. So on behalf of all the Vishnu IAS Academy, I Sangram Pradhan would personally like to wish you, God bless you, long live and bless us and bless our future generations in the entire life. Thank you so much sir. Happy birthday.
Hello sir, this is Nitish. Wish you happy returns of the day sir, and may God bless you and have a very long life. And I am very happy to have a mentor like you sir, and I hope you get some minister post in the future sir. Thank you.
Happy birthday. So I just wish that you have a successful life
with your institute and health, and have a wonderful future. And you are actually like a Dronacharya for us, so that you define the careers of a lot of people and who controls the fate of the country itself. And I just wish a lot of people under your tree, a lot of people comes and become a lot of better officers and better human people. So that is what I just wish you. And regarding the institute, I just wish that you expand the institute and your aura across the country, so that the beauty of your institute, every mentorship will be spread across the country itself. And people and society deserves a mentor, a person, a teacher like you. So, once again, happy birthday, sir. Thank you so much for your efforts.
Hello Vishnu sir, I wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you for mentoring and guiding us. I'm very happy to be part of this process of preparation. Thank you sir.
Hello sir, I wish you many more happy returns of the day. We are glad to have sir like you, who are always motivating us, tells us what to do and what not to do. You are such a student friendly, always available to students irrespective of time, and guides us what to do and what not to do. Always glad for that sir. And once again, many more happy returns of the day. I wish you very happy and prosperous years ahead, sir.
Today is not just a date for us. Today is a date on which our beloved Vishnu sir is born. We wish you happy birthday, sir. Wishing you good health and prosperous life ahead. Thank you, sir.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Vishnu sir. We are glad to have a mentor like you. You are such a hard-working and caretaking mentor that I have ever seen.
Thank you very much for your warm welcome and your love care. I'm really very privileged and fortunate to have such great good students. By your success, by your ranks, my happiness will become more triple exponential happiness I will be getting. I'm ready to put all my efforts, all my everything for your success. So we are very happy as an individual, as you all are also my own family members. So thank you very much for believing me and trusting us and giving your main responsibility of your preparation in our hands. And I think I am also with the Almighty's wish and Almighty's blessings, I am doing my duty. So now it's your duty, you have to get the success. So thank you on this particular day. Really you made my day. Thank you very much. You can see water in my eyes. I'm very happy. I'm very much happy. So as I told you earlier, my happiness more it will be doubled with your success. Thank you. I will ask my wife if she want to tell anything. And she is my daughter. Hi, Chu. Thank you all. Shall I? Yes. Thank you everyone. So small kid will be the like a God for everyone. So no partiality. Shrisha, Vasudev, Nikita, Ashish Das, Ashok. Vasudev, how are you?
I am fine, sir. Once again, wish you happy birthday, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Shrisha, how is Dubai?
Everything is fine, sir.
Hi,
Happy
Chechi, how are
birthday,
you?
sir.
Thank you very much.
Hi Chechi, how are you?
Hi, Ashwin. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hi,
I will
all.
Chechi with Didi in Malayalam.
Yeah.
Yes, Sonika, how the things are there?
Sir, everything is fine. You know, I am trying to come to Hyderabad but for taking offline coaching. I'm trying my best so I can come. But there are so many things coming. So let's see whether it will be possible or not.
Yeah. Yes, Ishwar, Murli Krishna, Veda Pranit, Manideep also. Whether internet is good, your place, Veda? Can anyone singer here over here? Any singer over here?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Veda. Any singer here?
I'm not the one, sir.
Sangram?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Open your visibility.
Okay, sir. Wait a minute.
Hello, sir. First of all, wish you a very happy birthday, sir.
Thank you, Vedapin. Thank you very much. So, any voluntary singer? Yashwant, you have to start, I think so.
Sir, I am the most. I don't know how to sing, sir. Here I very rarely listen to songs. So.
Murali Krishna is in study hall. Yes. Nikita Barve? Barve.
Yes, sir.
क्यों वहाँ पर? How are you, Nikita?
So I'm fine. How are you, sir? So wishing you a very happy birthday.
Any Chupa Rustam, any voluntary singer, if you come, it will be a very good entertainment for everyone and you will be recognized.
Personally, I don't believe that there is no one because मुझे पता ही नहीं ना कोई तो.
Yes.
So, sir, is it audible, sir?
Yes, Sangram.
So, sir, can I sing a song?
Please.
Sir, but it will be in Hindi. I think all people might be comfortable.
Yes.
So, दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए हम जिएंगे और मरेंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए.
Very good, very nice.
Thank you, sir.
You know, in Labasana, if you don't have any extracurricular activities, you will be removed.
Sir, actually, since 2 years, I didn't perform any stage performance. So I was performing stage somewhere, and I was learning Hindustani vocal. So it's a bit not extracurricular activity; it's a passion.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Pranit. Yes. Kaumudi, how are you?
Good, sir. Happy
Songs-
birthday.
Thank you. Songs competition is going on. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm not sure. I don't think so because I don't even watch movies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hanisha Rao.
Yes, sir.
Friends, please on your videos. It will be good if everyone of us. What's that, bro? So, how's life going, bro?
Yeah, now okay.
Yes.
Yes, Manisha B, कैसे हो आप? तो हर्ष मित्रा. Yes. Actually, today's songs competition is going on. A rehearsal for Labasana songs competition.
Yes, sir.
So we got in,
I guess apart from the songs, we do have another cultural activities also, at least physical.
Yes.
Because not everyone will be able to have a wonderful voice.
Yes, sir. Everyone suggest which activity should be done here. All of you can suggest here that we can do here.
Yes.
If anybody is not interested in song and all, please suggest the other activities that we can follow.
In extracurricular activities, sir, as you know, I am a very good chef. In fact, I am master in Mexican, Chinese, North Indian, South Indian, Italian cuisines. I can do. I can master them. I can do very good. So maybe that might be help in my future.
Sonika, I heard that you are a good, a very good singer, Sonika. You are a very good singer. I heard it. Is it not true?
Is there any problem if I sing a song in the original language of mine?
No problem. No problem.
क्या यहाँ पर किसी ने भी कभी डोगरी सुनी है? Is there anyone in the group? But I am going to sing one डोगरी song. तो मैं आपको सुनाऊंगी. समझ में आएगा नहीं आएगा मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी कि मैंने क्या बोला. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
Okay. I am not a good singer, but I'll try. याद ही नहीं आ रहा इस टाइम पे कोई.
Vasudev, you keep mute.
What is the most famous song? जब भी कोई जम्मू वैली साइड आता है तो ये सॉन्ग हमेशा हम सुनाते हैं किसी भी. When I was in 10th standard, I earned Governor Award. तो गवर्नर के सामने ये सॉन्ग आया था इस टाइम पे. तो अभी गाती हूँ. Let's see. Okay. ओए होए मिठड़ी है डोगरी दी बोली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे. हो मिठड़ी है डोगरी दी बोली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे. इट मीन्स कि जो डोगरी पीपल हैं वो बहुत अच्छे हैं और दे आर एज स्वीट एज शुगर.
Very nice.
अभी मुझे.
Very nice. Very nice. We all appreciate. It's very good song. Any other volunteer? Pushkar Chavan?
Yes, sir.
Please. A song from you. We are expecting.
A song from me. What kind of a song, sir?
Any song. You are familiar.
So I mean,
without
I was in a 10th stand.
Without
changing. I was in a 10th stand. Without changing a
lyrics. Lyrics.
I'm not. Okay, understood. So is it necessary that I'll need to sing a song which is same as Sonika ma'am said?
No. You are
not necessary, right? Anything else? Right, sir. So basically, sir, as we all were together this day and we are all meeting up this time, so I will definitely would like to say the song which I presented when I was in 10th standard in the school gathering. So the song was "Kandon se kande milte hai," and so it was "Kandon se kande milte hai, kadmon se kadam milte hai, hum chalte hai jab ऐसे तब दुश्मन के दिल हिलते हैं. कंधों से कंधे मिलते हैं, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं तब ऐसे तब दुश्मन के दिल हिलते हैं.
Very nice. Very great.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Anyone? Any volunteer?
Sir, we want to listen Sangram's voice.
Sangram already इसका song हो गया.
अच्छा, okay, sorry. So I am late.
Another song, Sangram, you have a lot of demand. Any song?
Sir, I will definitely sing song. I love to sing song, but let sir others too. Then I will do, sir.
शुभम गोरे, कैसे हो आप?
हेलो सर.
हेलो, कैसे हो आप?
सर ठीक हूँ सर. आई जस्ट अभी मैं बोलने ही वाला था. सर, इफ यू डोंट माइंड, आई कैन आई डू योर मिमिक्री?
Sure. Please. Go on.
Actually, sir, basically, when I was in the BTech, now I am a working professional. When I was in a BTech, I was in an acting team of College of Engineering, Pune.
Oh, very nice.
Yes, sir. So I will just try that. As you deliver the lectures, so in between the lectures, you do give much of the motivation and all the way you teach. So I have just tried. So can I try if you permit?
Hey, please.
And if others also, if they like, otherwise. Okay, sir, I'll try then.
Yes.
So in the beginning, so when the lecture begins, so sir is bit quiet. So sir does like this.
Accurate.
Okay, students, good morning. So yesterday we have learned marriage, society. So today we'll begin with anthropological thought. Yeah. Much of the students yesterday wrote good answers, daily answer writing, pretty good answers. So on the daily basis, you need to write the answers so that you can improve on that. Okay. So I'll begin with anthropological thought. So then sir will explain some of first of school like classical evolutionism वगैरह. So while explaining the criticism, sir does. So this was the classical evolutionism. So there are criticisms of this school. ये क्या होता है? ये कैसे होता है? So this is the any thought which comes there is criticism for everything. So Henry Morgan says, अरे तुम ऐसा बोलता है ये क्या होता है? अरे so then James Fraser will come. He will say, अरे Henry Morgan, तुमने बोला था culture evolves from the Egypt and spread to all parts of. अरे ये इसको कुछ evidence है क्या? So so in this way, then in between the lecture, sir will go with some motivational talk. See students, this exam will change your life. See, you need to work hard for this exam. I'm with you 24/7. You just need to give your 200%. Okay? All the best, students. Thank you, sir.
Excellent.
This is so
Very
good,
nice.
sir. So good.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
It was very nice.
मेरा इतना अच्छा किया तो एक्टर्स का भी अच्छा करता होगा.
No, sir.
Shubham did more better than sir.
I have to see that person every day so that I can mimic him.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you, Shubham. Our any extra skills? Already I got criticism. No criticism from me again.
Sir, if somebody is interested in having poet, like somebody has mimicry, if anybody has anything which can be
Hello, sir.
Poem. Yes.
Sir,
सर पोएम तो नहीं है, लेकिन एक सर मैंने बहुत पहले when I used to work with some company, so they were having a motivational lectures at all the time. So we all have so many people in our lives who consider that तेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, you will not be able to do it, or something that always that there are numerous number of people who are there to criticize us always. That you will not be able to do. This is the common thing. उनके लिए सर कुछ कहने का मन कर रहा है मेरा, which I heard from someone. So मतलब वो घमंड तो नहीं है, but it's always a pride. So if with your permission, sir,
please.
Yeah. So it's like आसमान में थूकने वाले को बता दो, आसमान में थूकने वाले को बता दो कि पलट के थूक उसी के चेहरे पे गिरेगी.
Okay. Yes. Shivam, how are you? Shivam.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you, Shivam?
I am good, sir. How are you? Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you. Yes, please. We are waiting for your song.
Sir, sir, actually, I am not a Telugu speaker. I am from North India. I am from Delhi, sir.
Yes.
And I am learning Telugu by watching Telugu movies. I actually watch a lot of Telugu movies, sir.
You can sing Telugu song.
Yes, I can sing Telugu songs.
Yes, ready.
Sir, I wanted to sing one. There is a movie known as Husharu. Actually, it's on engineering students. So, as I am also an engineer, so I just wanted to sing a song, Undi Porade.
Okay. Oh.
Yes, sir. I just love that song and the lyrics and the singer Sid Sriram. He's just chala amazing, sir.
Yeah.
So the song goes like Undi pora de gunde ni dele hathu pora de gunde ke nanne ayyo ayyo padam nelapai ఆగనన్నది మల్లి మల్లి గాలో మేఘమై తేలుతున్నది అందం అమ్మాయి అయితే నీలా ఉందా అన్నట్టుందే మోమాటలే వత్తన్నాయే అడగాలంటే కౌగిలే ఉండిపోరాదే. So sir, I just learned.
Telugu people will not speak this much very good Telugu or very.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It is like my pleasure to sing in front of you, sir.
Thank you. It's
Shivam bro, are you
so much,
really
sir.
from?
Thanks a lot.
Shivam brother, are you really from Delhi?
Yes, bro. Actually, I am having a friend in Telangana in Jagtial district, so I am just learning Telugu just like that.
It's literally awesome of you. Like even we can't sing that good.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Anupriya, Vedavyas.
Sir, many more happy returns of the day, sir.
Yes, Vedavyas.
Hi,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sorry, sir, I am late to the meet.
But your latest, we are waiting for your song.
Song, sir? Me? No, sir. Sir, now the participants are 30 around. If I sing, there will be 3 members, sir.
Yes, everyone. नागुल वेंकटेश, खुशबू सोलंकी, आप कैसे हो खुशबू जी? Very nice. Aditi Mane, Anil Kumar. Sudev, any Kannada song from your side?
No, sir.
Asudev, why I told you to unmute because outside sound is coming from your end.
Yeah, exactly, sir. Exactly. I will mute, sir. I will mute.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have an English song.
Sure.
It's a small verse. Yeah.
Please.
Yes. When the fire's at your feet again, and the vultures all start circling, they're whispering, you're out of time, but still I rise. This is no mistake, no accident. When you think the final nail is in, think again. Don't be surprised, I will still rise. That's it, sir. First time singing.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Meaning मुझे समझ में नहीं आया फिर भी.
Well, it's for all of us who are trying to rise and rise again.
Oh, very nice. Yes.
It's a song by Katy Perry called Rise, sir. I guess you'll have to check it out. The lyrics are beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sripad, Anupriya, Manas. Ashish Das, Anisha Rao. See, Delhi, very good song from Telugu. You are, Anisha, now it's chance for you.
Sir, I don't know singing. I'm not good at singing.
You know what will happen if you go to Labasana? If you tell the same, they will give you less marks.
I will learn, sir.
Civil services, not only studying, civil services is multiple. Other than this, Shubham Gore is absolute, very good criticism, very good mimicry. Where is Shubham?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Srisha, from your side?
Sir, I'll try.
Please.
I'll go with an English song, but I'm not. Oh, yeah. Fading in, fading out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is a holy grail I've gotta find. Holy, you can set my heart on fire. On fire. Fading in, fading out, in the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is a holy grail I've gotta find. Holy, you can find my heart on fire. On fire. Yeah, that's all, sir.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Yes. We don't want spectators, we want performers. Come on. Come on the screen.
So please tell us what are your hobbies, like beyond teaching, what you do in your free
I'm a
time.
dancer.
Oh,
Arey, he went to Dance Baby Dance competition also.
How you know, Kaumudi?
I
seriously,
watched
sir?
an interview, sir, of yours.
I went, yes. Once
You
upon
were-
a time, there was a very popular program, Dance Baby Dance.
Yeah, yes, sir. In ZTV, if I'm not wrong, it used to.
Yeah.
In which year, sir?
Oh, 1999.
Oh,
Okay, when I born.
Yes, Kushbuji, we are waiting for your voice. Mohit Gaikwad, Rajkumar. Yes, Kushbu.
साउंड नहीं आ रहा
Wait, now we can.
यस सर हैप्पी बर्थडे सर
Thank you.
Sir,
Yes, Miss Harsha, Cheppu.
sir, before you dream for civils, what is your aim?
Dancer. मैं अच्छा डांस कर लेता था.
Nice, sir.
And then I am a very good cricket player also.
Oh, that's very good.
I am a state player.
Oh,
Sir, एक
very
dance-
nice.
Sir,
Yes. Kushbu ji, are you ready?
फॉर व्हाट सर
Song के लिए.
सॉन्ग सर मुझे नहीं आता
You know, marks will be given in Labasana based upon the extracurricular activities. Are you aware of this thing?
नो सर
Ayyo.
we are not aware of this.
So we have to be multi-talented if we want to survey there.
Not to survey, but a good reputation, people will recognize you.
यस सर
So people will not recognize based upon education, people will recognize based upon your skills.
राइट सर
Okay.
Sir, is there any firing competition in Lavasana?
Fighting up,
Firing, sir.
firing in NBA.
Okay.
Sai Harsha, Anjana PS. Whether there's anything which we can learn from you?
So actually, I'm a city level chess player, sir.
Oh, very nice.
Oh, good.
Any music composer here?
Sir,
We
me, I am there.
Very nice. Please go on. No, do you have anything, any instrument right now?
I don't, and I actually play the piano, so it is not transportable. Yeah.
Sir, any song from your side?
I'm a dancer.
Sir, no issues, sir.
Sir, you said you are a good traveler. So what's your next destination in coming days?
Northeast India.
Oh. So
Anthropology.
what's your dream destination, sir?
Northeast India. Why? Because one of IAS officer is my friend in Manipur. So after this October batch, your batch, I will be going there for 5 days.
Oh. No, sir. What is your dream destination in the world? Like Paris, UK, like any particular area?
Egypt.
Egypt.
Culture evolved from Egypt.
I'm very much curious about pyramids.
Okay. So you're an anthropologist, so you're curious about you.
No, I want to see the big structures in my life.
I said rightly, Yashwant, that sir wanted to see the pyramids. Na? Even I was one day I was scrolling, so I was on the YouTube channel. So उनका construction कैसे हुआ, मतलब कैसे बनाया? Even scientists wanted to know that, ना? मतलब it's very curious to know about. मतलब उस जमाने में, उस time पे, उस century में कैसे बना होगा?
Vishnu sir.
Yes.
Sir, I just have one question. Sir, why did not you go for more attempts in UPSC? You said you gave only 3 attempts, right?
No, I didn't give 3 attempts. I gave 4 attempts.
Okay.
4 attempts, only 4 attempts, no, at that time.
Yes, sir. After that, attempts were increased.
कौन मिस करता है अटेम्प्ट? अभी भी मैं रेडी हूँ, अगर एक मैं अटेम्प्ट दिया तो लेके ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 लेके आता हूँ.
Right now there are 6.
Right now there from 2014 6 are.
Yes.
Ishwar asked me which is the best moment in your life. See, best moment means it's not about the happy moment, which is the most crucial moment. That is your question, Ishwar. My last attempt, when I lost my attempts, very crucial tha. That is the best moment. And the second positive wala best moment bole to yes, I got my show, my dance program was being telecasted in TV. उस दिन में TV में आना बड़ा ही बात. YouTube नहीं था. YouTube था तो मेरा recorded video YouTube में, but I don't have that at that time. So TV में अपने आप को देखना डांस करते वो अच्छा था. At that time one song was been there, Columbus बोल के. That was fun. Yes, the spectators over here, Anjana, Dinesh, CH. I will give you less marks, whoever are not coming out.
Sir, I've already taken one chance, but then I just found out my recorded one. This is my own composition.
Very nice.
I just played it out.
Yes, Dinesh.
That's it, sir.
Very nice.